guys, I wanted to show you some of the new crystals I just purchased. I don't know the names of them, but they are so pretty, I could not pass them up. It came with a piece of paper explaining the different types of names they had, but I accidentally threw it away. So if you know what these are, please leave me a comment. I do plan on getting more crystals. I do have a necklace that came with this lot, but I think I let my oldest daughter borrow it. These are so pretty. I really like this one. I'm not sure what this is for, so if you do know, please let me know down in the comments. This kind of looks like quartz, although I could be wrong. I probably am. I'm not sure what this one is, but it's really pretty. There was a girl on TikTok who I saw had these. This one is amethyst. That much I do know. Amethyst and turquoise are really about the only stones I am familiar with. This is pretty. And she had a bunch of crystals, and I really wanted something for myself, so I just got this little box on Amazon. It was like $18. This just looks like something you could pick up in a riverbed. Another piece of, maybe, nope, not that. Maybe it's a piece of this one. Oh, yep, looks like it. Alright. It's called Crown Chakra. I don't even know how to pronounce that. It says open the purple and white. Open your crown chakra spiritually. So that would go on the top of your head. Your third eye chakra, which is in the middle of your forehead. This one, open your third eye. Okay. Throat chakra. Guessing that's this one. That's what this one's called. That's so pretty. Look at that. Heart chakra. The green one. Maybe that's not it. Maybe that was this one. Huh. So maybe that. This goes with this one. Oh, okay, that's a better match. Visuddha, I think that says, it says blue, but there's a few different shades of blue in here. Solar plexus chakra. Open your active pleasure centers with wisdom and power, so yellow. So I'm guessing that would be this one. Sacral chakra. Orange. Maybe either this one. Or this one might classify as brown. I take that back. And then your root chakra. So that typically means your feet, if I'm not mistaken. Red or black. Ooh, okay. I like the black one. I don't know, I feel grounded with the black. There was one video I saw that said, I do apologize, I'm shaking right now, that said the darker browns and reds can be classified as both. It's not specific as to one specific type. But I would love to do chakra healing. There is a place right here in my city that does it. It's a meditation place, and I can't wait to go up there and do something. I might actually go tomorrow. I'm feeling the purple. Here we go. The amethyst together with these ones. Feels like the colors connect better. Stones, whatever you wish to call them. Let me know what you guys want to see in the next video.